Hello everyone, and welcome to the PMO/PC Operational Excellence Training. Today, we're exploring why DXO exists and how it supports delivery governance. An organization's success depends on a predictable and transparent delivery system, rather than relying solely on individual efforts. Let's begin by looking at our learning objectives. In this module, we will cover how DXO and delivery governance function, the core roles involved, and how to identify and address operational gaps. We will also examine how to effectively manage governance cadences and escalations to ensure project success. Why is DXO needed? Projects often face challenges like missed schedules, inconsistent data, or poor visibility. These are rarely due to team effort, but rather a lack of effective governance. DXO helps by creating frameworks that detect these issues early. DXO, or the Delivery Excellence Office, acts like an operating system for project delivery. It doesn't replace the project manager, but empowers them by providing necessary standards, quality control, transparency, and predictability across the organization. DXO's mission is defined by three main areas: governance, which ensures standardized processes, visibility through reporting and KPI tracking, and quality and coordination, which keeps teams aligned to ensure operational excellence. There are four main pillars of DXO: project governance, solution governance, quality governance, and delivery insight. Together, these form the foundation of how the organization ensures projects are delivered predictably and with high quality. Delivery governance is more than just tracking. It's a comprehensive system. It standardizes models, controls milestones, maintains quality gates, and tracks KPIs. Its core objective is simple: to deliver the right thing, predictably and transparently. The delivery governance model spans the entire project lifecycle, starting from the initial business demand, through discovery and planning, into development and quality assurance, and finally reaching UAT and release. Governance checkpoints are active every step of the way. Looking at the overall delivery lifecycle, we see the progression from demand intake and initiation to planning and development. At every stage, specific governance activities are in place to manage the transition and maintain project standards. Governance varies by stage. We begin by evaluating feasibility, move into setting up charters, then define baselines and risks, and finally track progress and escalations during development. This continuous approach keeps our project health in check. Milestone-based governance ensures we are proving readiness, not just tracking tasks. Every milestone requires exit criteria and approval flows. Examples include reaching the planning baseline or getting final approval for UAT, ensuring we meet our objectives at each point. The PMO, or project coordinator, plays a vital role in DXO. You act as the operational engine, responsible for aggregating data, facilitating governance meetings, and monitoring escalations. You ensure the right information reaches the right people at the right time. A quality gate is a mandatory control point between phases. By verifying exit criteria, such as resolving critical defects before moving to production, we reduce risk and prevent issues from spreading to downstream processes. Governance happens through a set cadence: daily, weekly, monthly, and quarterly. Each interval serves a specific purpose, from daily coordination and blocker tracking to quarterly strategy and process improvements, keeping the delivery machine running smoothly. Finally, the daily delivery governance meeting is our essential tactical check. It brings key stakeholders together to review progress, coordinate dependencies, and manage blockers, ensuring we remain aligned and on track each day. Now let's move one level higher. Weekly governance focuses on whether the project is still moving toward its major milestones. We examine risks, unresolved issues, schedule variance, budget status, and delivery KPIs to transform operational information into management decisions. Monthly governance shifts focus to the entire portfolio. This allows management and steering committees to see which strategic initiatives are at risk, manage cross-project dependencies, and make decisions before delivery performance deteriorates. Quarterly governance looks further into the future to improve organization-wide delivery capability. We analyze trends in maturity and process effectiveness to refine our transformation roadmap and organizational standards. The PMO role is critical to DXO success. Your responsibilities include tracking delivery progress, coordinating governance activities, synthesizing reports for stakeholders, and ensuring high data quality so that governance decisions are based on reality. Effective governance is a collaborative effort. The project manager owns outcomes, the PMO coordinates, the PQA ensures quality control, and the solution architect governs technical direction. Together, they achieve predictable, high-quality delivery. When these roles collaborate during critical phases, like system integration testing, they function as an orchestra. The PM focuses on commitments, the PMO tracks actions, the PQA verifies process compliance, and the SA ensures architectural consistency. We often say, you cannot govern what you cannot see. Delivery visibility through dashboards, RAID logs, and metrics acts as headlights for leadership, enabling proactive decision-making rather than reactive firefighting. Escalation is not about blame. It is a mechanism for transparency. Early escalation allows leadership to provide support or adjust priorities before a small issue becomes a crisis. We escalate problems to protect the project. Watch for delivery anti-patterns. Signs like fake status reports, lack of ownership, or inconsistent data indicate that governance is failing. PMOs must identify these warning signs early to restore discipline and accountability. A successful DXO relies on clear governance, operational excellence, a transparent culture, and strong cross-team coordination. These factors move an organization from relying on luck to achieving truly predictable delivery. Let's consider a scenario. A project is delayed, JIRA is outdated, and quality fails at the last minute. Governance failed because of weak controls and delayed escalation. We must learn to spot these breakdowns in our own work. Now it's time for our workshop. You will map the governance journey of an actual project, identifying milestones, setting the review cadence, defining quality gates, and creating the necessary artifacts to support delivery. To summarize, DXO is the engine for delivery excellence. PMOs are the operational backbone, and governance is about enabling success through visibility and transparency. These foundations will support all our future training modules. That concludes Module 1. Reflect on your own project's governance maturity as you move forward. Thank you for your participation, and I look forward to our further discussion.